that Hlati's strategy to win the case is to guilt trip Hlengiwe and mobilize the community to court instead of letting Nongceba handle the case or accepting help from Zweleka. Tumeka insists that they must take the help, but Hlati's pride is not allowing him. But Utata Lazarus is like, this is not about pride, but it's about Istima Sendoda. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Tumeka is frustrated with why did Hlati refuse the help. They want to help, he must just take it. But Hlati is like, nope, it is about my son's dignity. But Tumeka knows all this is about Lazarus. And he says, he insists he's going to fight for his son. And then Umkhulula wakhe wants to know what are we going to do, because Hlengiwe has a team of lawyers. So yenza Tina, and then decides yes, and we can just avenge this ourselves. Igazi for igazi, unyana for unyana. Tumeka heard them and I was like, what? Not in Likamva's name, you are not going to spill blood. Sinigiwe ithuba la, we got offered help izolo. Instead of taking it, you guys are here busy plotting to kill someone, busy plotting guys. When I tried to spend a few days in jail, now you're acting like, oh my god, let's take the help and nigga lento niyenzayo man, we got offered professional help, let's take it. And they're like, I'm not asking you, we're taking it. I wonder if uzovuma. Hey, now Lazarus is talking to his dad, saying, yes, I can't believe Hlati spit on help, refused help just because of his pride. But that made him realize it's just not just about pride, it's about istima sendoda, a father's pride. Kuthi phela wena kaloku Hlati sees you as someone who's stepping into shoes that were supposed to be his. First you took over Vumile and then gave Ulikamva a job. Now Hlati does not know how to deal with all this, so he needs to win at something. He can't let you take this away from him as well, because it's going to make him look like a failure. And then Hlati gets a phone call. Go to Hlengiwe speed up the process on Friday. They are actually meeting. They're having a hearing galwandle. And then Umkholaka and I worried, because what are we going to do? Phela Hlengiwe are serious. Hlati says he's going to mobilize the community to speak about Likamva, what kind of person he is. That's our only strategy. I don't think that's enough. I'd rather do that than, but I'm not letting Nongceba take this case. Pride Hlati. He's not even letting Zweleka take the case, because Zweleka phoned him, assist him, because Zweleka phoned him saying, if this is about Lazarus, it's fine, mina nzobhatala, and he's just going to keep it professional. I just want to see Ulikamva fumani justice yakhe. Hlati just listened and said, nope, it's not going to happen, Zweleka. Thanks for caring. Zweleka is like, Hlati, this is no time for pride. Hlengiwe has a team of lawyers and is calling in favors. Where now, what do you have? Let me help you, man. Hlati uyancaba. Ngapha Hlengiwe is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that Ulandle gets out of jail, claiming insanity and saying that he has an abusive father, emotionally abusive father, Sydney. Sydney refuses to admit to these accusations that he is abusive, and but Hlengiwe is insisting now, and says the case is the right way she wants it to be, and now she needs to look at girlfriend Likamva and find some dirt on Likamva and make people see he's not the lamb that they think he is. Hlati goes to see Hlengiwe, asking her he just barged in kwabo, saying so when you want to protect your son from going to jail, knowing exactly what your son murdered my son. Hlengiwe just stood there speechless, because now Hlati is guilt tripping him. When are you fighting for your son? Where's mine? Mine is dead, but here you are fighting for yours not to go to jail. Hlati would rather lose this case than to let Nongceba handle it. I think after eluzile, that's when he's going to wake up and see he needs help, but pride yakhe won't allow him vele, not from the Ncukanas, not from Lazarus, no ways. Uyindoda yena umthwele kamabandla uzozithwalela yona. Ngapha umawethu is trying by all means to impress Uqhawe. Now he wants to help with this app that she created, with people from across the world can put in their stories about experiences yabo ye transplant. Hi, because he says he wants to see Uqhawe happy again. Wanga did not like the idea. I think not because of the idea, but because umawethu is getting so close Uqhawe, and he's playing hero that he's not able to do. So he turned down the idea. Now Umawethu is sad and says maybe he needs to reach out to the prosecutor and tell him everything that he knows about Ulwandle. But Sam is like, please don't do that. You think Hlengiwe and Sydney are going to let you be, and after revealing such information, you're going to tarnish your name, bruh. Our Puma Gland, and what about Kyle when she hears that you knew about this and did nothing for weeks? Please stay out of this, my way. Tomorrow tonight, he needs to stay out of this and let the Lord take its course. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.